Well, that was bad. Yeah, so I managed to crash OBS just then. So I will not do the mistake I was just making there, but I will try the other thing. So what was I doing? I was trying to enable this trigger. So I've done that one. And yes, if I'm going to add another bit here. I'm not going to touch OBS this time. That's clearly a bad idea. So let's change that one's name to we'll change that name there and save that. And then I'll add another one, which is going to be this. So I'm just trying to get some of these things. I'm going to try and make a group combo here. We don't need to do that. Manage the action. So this is a source. This is going to be in, oh goodness, something like local. There we go. Local screen. And that. And I think we were doing this for 10 seconds last time. So we're going to source toggle. Okay, save. And I'm going to hit change views over here. And now if I do a preview of this one, oh, it won't show anything interesting because of the view of the game. Did it actually work though? How would I know? It should have. Flag. Okay, let's save that. Let's do a preview of that now. Oh. Okay. No, what's it telling me? Oh, I've got something wrong. This is all gone horribly wrong. Okay. In the... Oh. Okay, I've got a horrible feeling that when OBS crashed, it took some of the stuff I'd set up inside as well. So I think I definitely need to return to the drawing board on this. Sorry to have wasted your time. Maybe I'll have this working by later on today. Let's see if I can manage that or not. So enjoy the rest of your Sunday afternoons. We'll be, one way or another, we'll be streaming racing games here at approximately 9 PM UK time later today. And between now and then, I'm going to be cooking dinner and trying to figure out if I can make this work. And if I can, then hopefully that'll be a bit more fun. But we'll see how we go. Right. Okay. Sorry everyone. Sorry that wasn't more fun. But hopefully I'll see you later. Bye for now.